Thank you for accepting your beauty consultant's invitation to be here this evening and hang out with us. We like to take an educational approach to skincare and color cosmetics. And so part of that is normally what we would be doing in your kitchen with you or at your bathroom, but hashtag COVID. So right now we're doing it through your computer screen instead, which is great. Tonight we're going to show off some products. We're going to play a little game. 4 exfoliators, so many options. Lorinda, how about you take us in? Go ahead and go over your first exfoliator, and we'll jump leapfrog.
Okay, I'm going to go over the one I use the least first because I do like it, and most of my customers really like it. The ones that have used it, that bought it, tried it even, the ones who have even tried it. This is the Microdermabrasion Plus Set, and this is the Refine. This one feels like sand on your face to me. I mean, it feels like I'm rubbing sand around. So it really buffs all the dead skin off of your face, and just like with little effort. So this one, it's just a little tube. It's really, really nice. You just, after you wash your face, you just put it on, scrub all around and wipe it back off. And then, probably even the best part of it, is the pore minimizer. So this you put on all over like you would a moisturizer, and it minimizes the appearance of your pores, which also means they're not going to get as clogged up as they would. But if you're using all your Mary Kay products, that probably won't happen anyway.
Word. There you go.
That's my first one.
I love it. And you also can use that pore minimizer day and night, but you don't want to use the microdermabrasion that often.
Right.
You don't want to use it every day.
Nope. This one's like, what, 2 to 3 times max a week?
Yeah. You have the infrequent exfoliators. I have the daily exfoliators. So my first exfoliator that I use the least frequently is the Botanical Exfoliating Gel. And I'll show you what this looks like. So this is from our Botanicals line that is designed for gals who are just starting to use skincare. And you can see it's not that thick. Like, it's a gel that is exfoliative. So it feels like little gritty beads. It's more of an exfoliator than, let's say, our 3D cleanser, but it's not that much more. So you can kind of see it foams up a tiny, tiny bit, but what you see is what you get. So you would use this after your cleanser, just like any other exfoliator, right? After your cleanser. And this is in the Botanical Effect Set, which is for gals who are just starting out with skincare or don't want anti-aging yet. So, okay, if you had to choose, you guys, between the Microderm and the Botanicals scrub, which one would you choose? Flashpoint decision. Personally, I prefer Microdermabrasion to Botanical Effects. It's because I like that you get the oomph and you get the pore minimizer. That's why. Or baby Botanical Effect. Maybe it's because we're all in need of anti-aging.
Maybe we just don't want to be in need of anti-aging, so we're proactive. Let's do that now.
Right?
Let's make sure we don't have to.
So speaking of anti-aging, Lorinda, what is our next most fabulous exfoliator?
This is my favorite, the Time-Wise Repair Revealing Radiance Facial Peel. So I'm going to show them what this looks like too, because I freaked out, literally. This looks like a lotion, a cream.
It feels like one too.
And it feels like one. It's like silky smooth. It just feels like you just are putting on, not even sunscreen because it's light. It's not thick like a sunscreen usually is. And it smells really good. Everything in the repair smells really good.
Nice.
But this, just put it on after you cleanse, and you leave it on for 10 minutes, and then you wipe it off. The first time I used this, I used it at night, and I got up the next morning, and my face is so much whiter. Like, the redness is just not there. Like, it didn't exist. And I was like, okay, that's it. I'm using that as often as I can because that's
Yes,
probably the thing I'm most self-conscious about. My skin is the redness.
Repair peel is 10 out of 10. For me, it helps with my breakouts. Like I'll do the peel and then I'll do the charcoal mask. Ooh. So the peel you don't use every day. This exfoliator you can use every day. Enter Mary Kay Naturally. So Mary Kay Naturally is our Cosmos Eco Cert standard product, which abides by what is really, truly the most strenuous regulatory rules for natural products in the world. Mary Kay does it the right way. And because this does not have any preservatives in it, it is a natural powder that is a powder, like a legit powder situation. Yes, it looks like cocaine. It's not. I'm going to take a little bit of water. We'll see if this works. I don't know. This could go terribly wrong. This could get all over the carpet. We'll see. It has citric acid in it and castor oil beads. Crazy. And so when you get water on the citric acid bubbles. It foams, even though this does not have any SLS or SLES in it. Okay, kind of doing it. Looks like a science experiment. Tonight, summer sticker science. Okay, you see it?
Oh, there you go, right there. Yep. Wow.
It's alive. Okay. Yeah, yeah, that's good. But you can add this to your cleanser. And again, there's no foaming agent, so once you rub it around, it's going to stop foaming. But this smells like I wish that my face was like my body would smell like this. It's so, so nice. And the beads are not large. I don't know if you can really see them. You can't really see them, but they're just tiny little particles, really. And so this also is a fabulous exfoliator. Now, I will say, the first time I ever used the Naturally exfoliating powder, I got too excited and burned my face. Because just like the microdermabrasion, you have to go in little baby circles and don't spend too much time in one section of your face. Because you want to take out the dead skin, not the alive skin. Okay? Difficult decision. We're going to have a face-off situation. Okay? Okay? You had to choose. Oh. Amber. I know. It's difficult. It's difficult. So, we are going to play a game. This might not work. Action. Okay? Whoever comments first gets a point. And keep track of your points. Okay? Sunfield living on your baby. Ooh, hey. Flash recap. Lorinda, how often can you use the exfoliators you showed?
This, sorry, is the Microdermabrasion Refine. You can use it 2 to 3 times a week.
Fabulous.
You can use the Pore Minimizer morning and night every day.
Yeah.
And the Time-Wise Repair Revealing Radiance Facial Peel, you can use twice a week.
Fabulous. And my exfoliators here, you can use every day. You can use the Botanical Effects Scrub every day, twice a day even, and you can also use the Naturally powder, exfoliating powder every day, twice a day. So you can mix this one with your cleanser. You can do this one after your cleanser. Or exfoliators, so many options. My fabulous girls, there's not a lot of summer left. So if you, I think that was all the questions. Yes, you can go back and watch it from the beginning afterwards. If you have questions that were not answered tonight, please direct message one of us or comment here even after the video's over. And we have a couple summer stunners left. Not a lot, because summer's almost over. So just saying, gotta let us know what you want to see. Or it's too late. All right, you guys. Thank you, Lorinda.
Thank you.
Have a wonderful week, ladies. We will see you